Herbie, can you order chicken pizza and a bottle of beer please?
Your order for pizza and a bottle of beer has been placed, Nick. Your order will arrive in 14 minutes. Is there anything else I can help you?
Enjoy the food, sir.
Herbie, can you book a conference room for 6 people at 4 p.m?
Nick, your conference room number 404 has been booked. Is there anything else I could do?
Yes. Herbie, can you book a spa for 9 p.m. today?
Your spa appointment is now confirmed for 9 p.m. The spa is situated on the 2nd floor, and Julie will wait for you to give you spa treatment at 9 p.m. Is there anything else you want me to help you?
Herbie, I want to check out.
Nick, give me a second, let me prepare your bill. The total bill for the stay is £2,408. How do you want to pay?
Use my credit card.
Could enter the OTP sent to your mobile? All done, Nick. Your payment has been processed, and the invoice has been emailed to you. Your driver Peter is waiting at the lobby to drive you to the airport. Thanks for staying at Hilton, Nick. Hope you enjoyed your stay with us. Hope to see you soon.